create a new page, a web page. I go to file, I go to new. Since it's I'm adding a component to this, I'll go to add existing website. Okay, it shows me this option. This option is when I want to add an existing website to the present website I'm doing. But to add an existing item, I'll come to this place. See this place here, add new item. I click on it. When I click on it, it shows web form. I'll just change the name here, call it my page. And it's advisable when naming websites, you don't name with space. You put everything together, don't give space. Now, later you know what they call master pages. You know what they call master page. But for now, we are not using a master page. We use just a page and click OK. Then also sort from there, from the windows, that from that create add new, the language. You get. So that is it. So with this now, we have the title here. Yes. We can change it to my page. It will display on the top. Then on this place we have the body and everything. But if you want to specify the color, you can say BG. You can specify the color from here. One color. Okay, from the markup list. I'll take the style. Take style.
Body style.
Yeah.
Custom.
Oh, say background color.
Style custom color.
Let me take that apart. And this I put it this way.
Why did you put this on this aqua something?
It's the color, it will give it the color.
Give it the color.
Yeah. We give it the color. Now with this, let me change the view. I change the view, I go back so you see the color here.
Change the color. Yeah, change from this color to another one.
Change it to another color. I can come here, change it to red.
To red.
Yeah, come to this place.
Okay.
You see it.
So any color now explain then I will appear.
Yes,
okay.
and you can
Black.
also use binary combination of 2 letters and 4 alphabets. 3, 4, J, J, this. It will give me a color. To give me a color, FF. Gives me a color. 2 alphabets and 4 letters.
2 alphabet and 4 letters.
If I remove that 5, I put something else to give me another color. And now I can also put it in split so that I will be seeing what I'm doing.
Okay.
Now from this div, this is like what we take the whole page.
That is div.
Yeah, I can give it an identity. I'll say equal to what is the name, page. Let's say page border.
So before you start anything, you have to put this column here. Equals to
yes, page border.
page border.
Then we give it its start name. Then inside this, I will have different divs. That a div is like a paragraph or like a group. I have different div. I put this div here, menu. But I'll come here, put the ID as menu. ID. Menu. So this place now, on this place now, I can put those different hyperlinks. Those links that will take me to different places. Now to get those links, remember I can use any of the environment to work. To get those links, I can scroll down. You see where they put hyperlink. Hyperlink. I click it, I drop it. Now if you show me this as a hyperlink, this place I'll change it. I'll put home.
Okay.
Now when you synchronize, you see the home there.
Menu home.
Now it will take me to another page. Then let me put some spaces. To put some spaces, you use this NBSP, non-breaking space. You see, you duplicate it as many as you like, and I'll put another hyperlink here and say this one, my details. Remember what I always change, this place.
Yes.
My details. Now let me stop at these two links. Which means that I have to, for these links to be functional, I have to have two other pages that will be direct to this page. Good. So I refresh. I have this now. Then under this, remember this is a div, so a group. This is another div that I will create here. I will create this other div. I'll call it body. Call it body. ID equals to body. And close it. Now I want something to be there. I want maybe an image to be there. So I can come here, I put image, drag it, I drop. Remember, you can drag and drop also on this environment. After this, I will change it to the design environment so that you will also understand the design environment. Now, on this design, this image will not be there, but I have to get the URL of the image. So I'll come to the property bar. I'll scroll down. You see image URL. Image URL. I click it, and the image must be inside the website folder. On this place, I have an image here, diamond. I pick it, I synchronize. Now you see the diamond is big. Now let me change to us to the design view. I come to the design view. The diamond is so big, I can set it from this place, from the property window. You see the height and the width, image height and width. Okay, image height. I can reduce the height, I can reduce the width. The width, let me put it 50. It's automatically reduced. Okay, let me put it 100. See it here. And then put the height 100. You see it here. This align image is if I have so many things there, I want it to be at the top. I'll put it at the top. So that is the image tag. I want to add some things under the image tag, like details or write up.
Yes.
Look, normally you can just press your enter. If you're on the design view, you press your enter. But if you're not on design view, you go to your resource view, you will use your HTML tag, which is angle bracket BR slash this for a page break.
Teach us how to repress the angle.
Shift and this angle bracket is a page break, it's a break. It will come to the next line. When you come here, you see you have gone to the next line. So the professional way of doing this is by using a label. But people type just like that without using label. So I can type just like that. Welcome to my page. This size, promise to feed weights and fixing information that your interests you for a continual visits. Something like this. Now I can color this. I can change the color. I want to change the color. I'll highlight. Remember, but if it to be a label, I'll just click on the label. I can color it. I can make it bold. I can change the color from this place. Come here, foreground color. Put it what color I want. I want something brighter color. This. Okay. It's dark. This is the info I put. It's stop. Okay. So
How can I view my my work now in the browser?
on the browser,
Yes, on the browser.
you view it. I'm coming. Before you view it, then I'll say please kindly register for our weekly newsletter. Filling the boxes below. With this now, the boxes now, I'll use label this for name. I come to this place, text, change it to name. Then I go to the text box above, no, text box is below. I come here, where is text box? TTT, text box.
Yeah.
I put it here. I have text box there. But it's not a professional way of doing it, which will make the thing not to look beautiful. So what will I do? I'll make use of table. I come here. Where is table? Tables. Insert table. I'm using, let me say, 2 by 2 rows. For example, the table I want it to be 75% weight. Click OK. Then here I put text box. Sorry, not the text box first. The label.
No.
This place. Call it what? Name. Center. Now label, I'll put it sex. I supposed to put 3 rows or 4 rows.
No problem. I understand what you're doing.
Okay. What will I do next? To insert the other 2 rows, I right click.
Okay.
I come to insert. I want to insert 2 rows below. I come rows there. I'm inserting 2 rows. This, not above but below. I click OK. The 2 rows are inserted. I come here, go to my email. Then here will be the text boxes. Plus.
You go on, I let programming, I get problem.
So these text boxes, I'll change the ID that I can identify them.
From here now you go back to
Next
school.
thing.
So probably later I give you PC
Okay.
when you close.
Yeah.
So go try reach. If you close, you try call Carol or maybe just come beside.
So with this, I'll change the text name. I come to this place. I use text